everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to make this yummy and easy red velvet crinkle cake mix cookies. They are very easy to make. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. To start, dump in 2 eggs, oil, and cake mix. Then beat well until a stiff dough forms. With this recipe guys, I'm using Duncan Hines. As you can see, it's 15.25 ounces of cake mix. So if you are using Betty Crocker, make sure that you increase your oil to 3/4 cup. Now use a spatula to mix everything. At this stage guys, you can chill the dough for 10 to 15 minutes, but I'm gonna go ahead and bake it right away. Next, using an ice cream scoop, portion the dough into round balls, then roll the cookie dough in powdered sugar. Then place on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Repeat the same process until all the dough is used up. Now bake the cookies at 375 degrees for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the cookies from the oven. Let them sit in the baking sheet for 5 to 10 minutes before you transfer them onto a cooling rack to cool completely. There you have it guys. The powdered sugar gives them a pretty crinkle cookie look and they turn out so chewy and soft. I hope you'll try this recipe. Thanks for watching. Until next time guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.